Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to SuiteDash, a powerful all-in-one business platform designed to help you manage projects, clients, and teams seamlessly. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or project manager, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with SuiteDash in 2025. So before we get started, first, what is SuiteDash? So SuiteDash is a versatile cloud-based platform that combines CRM, project management, invoicing, file sharing, and more into one unified dashboard. It is designed to replace multiple tools, offering a single solution to streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and enhance client relationships. With SuiteDash, you can manage your entire business from onboarding clients and assigning tasks to tracking projects and automating billing without the need for additional software. So now let's get started. So to get started, basically you just need to visit SuiteDash's website, and from here you can start a free trial. So simply click here on Start Free Trial and sign up for an account. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. So in the main dashboard or page, this is what you will see. So you'll see videos right here. So basically, these are training videos on how you can use SuiteDash, how you can use its features, and from here you can also see, as you can see, this button right here that says all courses at SuiteDash Academy. So you can freely explore all about the courses and training videos on how you can get most out of SuiteDash. Now, when you scroll down, you will see this template library. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different dashboard templates right here. They have this page dash slash dashboard template, flexible dashboard template. They also have this onboarding form templates and accounting contract templates. So just feel free to view these templates and use it for your business needs. So now let's move on to the next feature, which is the calendar. So as you can see, you can visit your calendar right here. So from here, you'll see welcome to my calendar. So you can connect to your schedule. So let's just X. So as you can see right here, we have the calendar right here. So let's say you want to create an appointment for a specific day or date. Let's say for tomorrow. So what you want to do is simply click on the tomorrow's box. As you can see, you can add a task. So you can assign it to your team member. You can add the title of this tasks, the project, phase, estimated time, and time spent, and also add the descriptions and all of this information right here. And of course, you can always create appointments. So let's go to appointments. So as you can see right here, if you have created or added a task to that specific day, you will see all of those tasks right here in your appointments. And also select appointment types. You will see default availability and your calendar settings. Next is let's move on to our CRM. So this is how SuiteDash's CRM looks like. So first, you can we have the company section. So from here, we can add companies. So simply fill up all of this information, such as the company name, the role, company logo or avatar, company contacts. So you can choose contacts right here to add to this companies, and the company details, its location info, and all of this stuff right here. So now let's go back. So in our CRM, of course, we have our contacts also. So we can manage all of our contacts in here. So from here, you can always add new contacts. So as you can see, just fill up all of this information right here to add or manually add this contact. So now let's just go back. So of course, when we click on add contact, we can go right here. Oh, let's just go back. Next is the circles. Again, you can create circles of your contacts right here. So again, just click on add circle, follow or add all of the information needed, and you can now separate your contacts using these circles. We also have events and deals and our CRM settings right here. Next is the office. So in the office, we have invoices, expenses, estimates, proposals, and of course, all of these work papers right here. So I'm not going to walk it through one by one. So basically, these is all of the office tools that you need right here. Next is the projects. So again, you can create your projects right here. Your tasks, all of your tasks, will see it. You can see the timers also. So let's click on timers. So from here, you can add a timer. So basically, this is like the timer for the work hours. We also have work requests and the project settings. Next is marketing. So in the marketing section, you can create your campaigns, such as uh, email campaigns. You can see your audiences, and of course, you can always use the pre-made templates of SuiteDash for your marketing needs. Next is the content. So from here, you'll just see your dashboards, your portal pages, landing pages, and of course, you can create your announcement. Next is files. So here in files, you can always upload files to these folders right here. So let's say you're working on a marketing campaign. So let's say you're creating a newsletter and you have uploaded some photos, it will automatically be added right here on your files. Next is forms. So from here, there is sample ticket forms right here, such as the support ticket form, kickoff form. And again, of course, you can always create new forms manually or use a template right here. Next is onboarding. So from here, you will see flows and checklists. For messaging, you'll see all of your inboxes. You can also create automations for schedules or auto templates. They also have the LMS right here. So this is the learning center. So from here, you will see products, courses, and your settings. So basically, that is all of the features of SuiteDash. So I didn't really walk you through all of the features one by one. So just feel free to explore about the features. And if you want, you can always watch training videos and learn from the courses right here. So in no time, you can now use SuiteDash for your business needs. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.